Hey, thanks for checking back in. Following my last post, I got questions from customers and dealers about adding optional components and the impact that was going to have on lead time. And those questions gave me the idea to chat with you about one of my favorite parts of the sales industry, and that's value engineering. Now, you may associate it exclusively with cost-cutting measures, but it's important to understand that value engineering isn't just about producing an inexpensive machine. Rather, it's a process with the end goal of providing you with a unit that meets your expectations and provides you with growth capabilities while respecting your budget. And the best way to understand this is looking at it as benefits over cost. As I work with customers who have constantly changing needs so their production lines can keep pace with industry trends and styles, we collaborate to value engineer a machine configuration that improves their functionality and reduces costs. I want to be a part of your planning stage, considering your materials, process, sourcing, delivered standards, and then including those considerations in the unit that we collaboratively design. At this point in the sales cycle, you'll have a clear understanding of the component package you need. You'll recognize the functional value of each item and see the correlation to the monetary value so you can forecast your ROI timeline. In short, value is the largest contribution to any project. So let's work together to identify the value in what it is you aim to achieve, then engineer an equipment solution to make that a reality. If you want to chat more, send me a DM, an email, or give me a shout. I'm happy to chat with you. And if you like what you've heard, please hit the like button and share this video. I'd appreciate that. And we'll see you in the next one.